This is a Quantum 6-edge power chair. This is a basic power chair, meaning it's got the base of a Quantum 6-edge power chair, but it has a standard captain seat. This chair is brand new. It was used for about a week. So I shouldn't say it's brand new, but it's as new as you're going to get. It was used for about a week. The nice thing about this power chair is it has 6 wheels, great suspension. You've got 14-inch non-skid wheels with alloy rims here. You've got anchor points here, so if you need to tie your chair to your lift or to your van, here and here on both sides. These are right on the frame, so this is not going to move. 2 on each side. You've got motors. These are 4-brush motors. There's 1 here, 2, 4 brushes. These are a little bit higher quality motors. If you need to roll this chair right now, you can't roll it because it's in gear. If you take the levers on each motor on each side of the chair, push them down, and now you can roll your chair. But always turn your power off. It makes it easier. If you leave the power on, you'll have some resistance with the electrical system. So if the power is off and you can roll your chair around. This puts it back into gear. And you can see the suspension. You can see the motor moving up and down. It's tied to the front suspension. Let me show you the front, and you'll see the suspension. On the front here, you can see the suspension here, which is tied to this fork. It also goes to the motor. So this is called active track suspension. It's got a really good suspension. You can see the suspension here. This suspension can be adjusted by turning this ring. If you turn this ring, it makes the spring tighter. If you let it down, it makes this spring and the suspension lighter. You got one on each side, and you've also got one in the back. The batteries are right here. They come out from the front. So if you need to take the batteries out, you don't need to take the whole seat off, take the chair apart. All you have to do, you have 2 handles, one here, squeeze them together, grab this whole front end, the foot plate, and this yellow part, all of it will come out, and you'll have 2 batteries. They're 55 amp batteries, group 22. They'll carry you for about 15 miles on a battery charge, depending how you're using the chair and where you're driving it. This is a foot plate that you can flip up for easy exit. If you wanted the foot plate closer to the seat, there's 3 holes. You can move it closer to the seat by 2 inches, so you'd be about here instead of here. So, and the foot plate is adjustable up and down and back and forth. The seat on this chair is 19 by 19. This is a deluxe adjustable seat. The arms go up. They also go out if you need more width. This is an adjustable seat. There's a handle here on the side of the seat, right here. If you pull the handle up, you can adjust your seat. There's a safety belt. You've also got a swing away joystick, which is very nice. The joystick can be put on the left, so if you're left-handed, no problem. We can switch it to the left. This is called a mid-wheel drive chair, so everything turns around the middle. So if I was to put a box in front of that foot plate and a box behind here, I would be able to turn that chair all day long like this, inside those 2 boxes. The back of the chair, you've got your owner's manual from the factory. You've got your adjustable headrest. You've got your other suspension, a suspension that's adjustable also. You've got your articulating beams in the back for suspension. This chair will go between 5 and 6 miles an hour. So when I drive it outside, I'll be able to tell you roughly how fast it goes. When you charge this Quantum 6-edge, take your Quantum charger, plug it in the bottom of your joystick. And as soon as the light turns green, it'll go from orange to green. That means it's full. The charger will stop charging. So you don't have to worry about overcharging your chair. The charger knows when the chair is full. It'll stop charging automatically. So if you're looking for a really sharp looking yellow power chair with a black background, black seat, it's very good, high quality motors, high quality base with a standard adjustable seat that goes 5-6 miles an hour. This is a really, really nice one. And this one, as I said, is practically brand new. And it's ready to go. This chair is very zippy, very fast. No problem in the grass at all. I turn in the grass, which is something that's the hardest thing to do for wheelchairs, to stop and turn in the grass. No problem at all. This chair goes about 5.5, maybe 6 miles an hour. I can't tell. There's no speed meter on here, but about 5.5 to 6 miles an hour, maybe a little less than 6. But great suspension, plenty of power going through the grass, practically new, very nice chair. This is Marc with Marc's Mobility. We are a family-owned business for over 20 years. Thank you for watching this presentation. We have several other models available. If you have any questions, please call the number below, 800-677-6293. Thank you again for watching.